Welcome to another exciting episode of Spice World Kitchen. Today, we're diving into the heart of Indian cuisine, and I promise you won't be disappointed. We'll be mastering the art of making one of the most beloved dishes worldwide, butter chicken. Join me on a culinary journey through the rich history and flavors of India. Butter chicken, also known as murg makhani, is a timeless Indian classic, known for its velvety tomato-based gravy and tender chicken. We'll start with a brief history lesson, tracing its origins to the streets of Delhi. Delhi, the melting pot of India's diverse cultures, gave birth to this delectable dish, blending flavors from different corners of the country. To create the perfect butter chicken, we need the finest ingredients. Let's talk about what you'll need for this culinary adventure. Tomatoes, cream, butter, aromatic spices, and of course, succulent chicken, all coming together in harmony. The secret to a flavorful butter chicken lies in the marinade. We'll show you how to prepare it with precision. The blend of yogurt, spices, and love will transform your chicken into a tender delight. Now, it's time to grill our marinated chicken to perfection. The sizzling sound and the aroma are irresistible. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring your chicken is golden and succulent. The soul of butter chicken is its creamy tomato gravy. We'll show you how to create the magic. Watch as we blend, simmer, and infuse the flavors. Your kitchen will soon feel like an Indian paradise. It's the moment we've been waiting for. The chicken and gravy unite to create the iconic butter chicken. As they come together, the flavors dance in harmony, creating a taste that's truly unforgettable. But wait, we're not done yet. We'll share some pro tips on how to perfect your butter chicken. Presentation is key, and we'll ensure your masterpiece looks as good as it tastes. A true Indian meal isn't complete without the perfect sides and complements. We've got you covered. From fluffy naan bread to fragrant rice and refreshing raita, we'll create a feast fit for a king. The moment of truth. I can't wait to savor this mouthwatering creation. It's like a party in my mouth. The flavors are divine. There you have it, folks. We've taken you on a journey from the history of butter chicken to mastering its preparation. You're now armed with the knowledge to impress your friends and family with this Indian delicacy. Before we sign off, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you create this dish, don't forget to tag us in your photos. We'd love to see your culinary masterpieces. Stay tuned for more exciting culinary adventures on Spice World Kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!